Hey everybody, my name is Amelia Barker and I am a brand new Color Street stylist, and I wanted to share with you what came in my new stylist kit. Now, I'm going to be honest, I've already opened it. In fact, I've already sent out some freebies out of it. I couldn't wait. So, I put it all back in. It was a good excuse for me to get reorganized, and I wanted to share with you what's in there today. So, when I signed up, I got this box from Color Street. So excited. Oh, see, I'm knocking everything off. All right. I'm going to set this over to the side. And I apologize. I'm in my online classroom. That's where my computer's set up. So that's where I am. So there's, of course, some general information in here. So it starts off with some information about how to apply them. I'm telling you, I did not need this. I had a couple of tips and watched a quick video, and it was so easy. There's a little welcome from the founder of the company, so that's nice. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I'm so excited. So each new stylist kit comes with, guess how many? 13 sets of nails. And these are nails that you can use, keep for yourself, give away, run contests, sell. You can do whatever. So the whole kit cost $129 plus tax and shipping. And if you think about it, if you were to buy 13 sets of nails, you're already at least breaking even. And when you look at all the other stuff, you're really probably coming out ahead. So super excited. Now there's a few different types of nails that you can get. So this kit came with 2 petite nails, and I'm gonna tell you, I have pretty fat hands. I don't know if you can tell, but they're pretty fat. And I can wear petite or I can wear regular. I use them interchangeably just depending on what design I like. So this set is called Checks and Cherries. Super cute for spring. This one is called How I Roll. I roll. It's got little eyeballs and eyelashes and then some moons and just super cute. My problem is I don't want to sell any of these. I want to wear them all. And they tried to send you a mix of things. This is Wow and Macau. Wowza. Hot pink. There is a French manicure set. And I'm actually thinking about trying these next. I have 2 French manicure sets that I had ordered before I decided to be a stylist. And so I'm on the fence. I might try those next. There's just too many choices. The next one, Va Va Voom. Bloody gorgeous. This is one that's a glitter nail design. And so I don't know if you can tell on video, but it's darker and lighter and just it's something you cannot achieve with just regular nail polish. It came with Good Girls Gone plaid. Get it? There's plaid nails. Very cute. Glitters are my personal favorite. I will be honest, my husband says that I act like a 14-year-old girl sometimes, and you know what? I don't care. So this one is Glamsterdam. Super cute. We have Aberdeen Aubergine, which is a really deep dark purple color. Love that. Rule of Plum. Purple is my favorite color. And so there's some really cute ones in there. I actually have another set of these that I bought. This is Best of Both Swirls. And yes, I have Hannah Montana running through my head every time I see the name. This is what I believe is one of the most popular ones. This is Tokyo Lights. And I also have bought that. And then Bordeaux Glitz. And it's a dark, sparkly color. I'm really on the edge of breaking out into some of these darker colors. So all of those came free, and you also get a pedicure set, which I gave away a set to my first order. And so Julie has a pedicure set on its way to her. So I don't have that to show you, but she's going to have some cute, bright toes this spring. So that's the first thing when you get into the box then. The second thing, and you all will probably be interested in this, I have a whole bunch of twosies that I can send out as samples. If you've never tried Color Street and you're like, I don't know if I'm going to like these dry nail polish strips. First, let me tell you, you're going to love them. Second, I am happy to send you out a sample. So I have, I think, 5 different kinds here that I can send out. There's some glitters. There's, I think, 2 different glitters. There's the hot pink one. Here's a really cute little flower design, which would be perfect for spring. So lots of free samples. You can put them on 2 fingers as accent nails and then paint the rest of your nails with regular polish and check out and see how well they last. I am amazed that they don't chip because you guys know me, or maybe you don't, but I am at a computer all day. First in the morning for teaching, where I'm on the computer, I'm typing, I'm dealing with props and things. Then I go straight from that into my day job, where I'm literally at my computer on conference calls and video calls all day long, typing. My old boss actually used to call me Emailia because I'm so prolific on email. I send out a lot. I realize it. I'm not proud, but I type all day. And this particular polish, this is actually regular nail polish, but it's got one of the glitter sets on top of it to give it that little sparkle. That's a whole other story. But this has been on since last Friday, so this is its 8th day, and there is not a single chip. And I am so hard on my nails, you guys, so hard. So there's a couple of fancy nail files with these plastic cases. I'm actually, one of these is going to go out in the mail this weekend to some folks who are part of my initial kickoff. And then there's two buffing blocks. And it looks like I haven't even unwrapped them, but you can file, buff, polish, and shine. And if you forget, it's written right on there. How handy is that? So that is all in this handy little top tray in the box. Oh, nail strips going everywhere. Okay, trying not to make a mess. Then you have a cute little bag. And yes, I had already loaded this up with nail strips and sample cards and all sorts of things. And I unloaded it just to do this video. So everything's going back in here soon. It's got a zipper top, which is fantastic because I don't have a purse. And so I can put stuff in there and zip it up and not worry about, everything getting loose. So in the bottom part of the box, there's a couple of packs of the cutest little baby nail files. So if you want a sample, I'll send you a cute little nail file, which when you put these nail strips on, you basically take a strip. Where's one of my twosies? You take a strip and you separate it and you peel off the layers and you put it on your finger. And then there's some extra left over and you can, cut it with your thumbnail. You don't have to cut them. You don't have to use scissors or knives or anything pointy or sharp. You could also just file it off. And either way, you're going to file the edge. And so that's what the little files are for. Here are some pointy sticks. I'm going to call them cuticle tools, but they're not actually labeled, and I didn't do my homework. So I'm assuming one end is kind of flat. And so you could probably use that to push back your cuticles. And the other end is pointy. So you could probably use that if you didn't want to use your thumbnail, maybe to trim the sides of it. Or you could stab your enemies. The choice is yours. I've got a little congratulations card, which I'm going to talk about here in a second. Here is the catalog. I have not opened these catalogs yet. I'm a little afraid to. 2 reasons. Number one, I'm going to discover something else I want to order, I'm sure. Number two, these are fall and winter of the fall and winter lines. And in March, so gosh, I guess in the next couple of weeks, I think on St. Patrick's Day, 2020, they're going to be releasing the spring line. And so, my goodness, I can't even wait. So many choices. There's also a bunch of stylist packets. And so I never, ever in a million years would have thought that I would be selling fingernail polish, much less fingernail polish stickers or strips. But I mentioned that there was a story about these fingernails. Let me quickly tell you. I went last week and I'd been using Color Street for several weeks, and I thought, I'm going to go pamper myself. I'm going to go to my nail salon and I'm going to get a manicure, a pedicure. And I went, and this orange color of polish is actual nail polish. I don't remember the name of it, but it has been my favorite color because look, it goes really well with the sweater that I teach in. And so, it looks great on camera when I'm holding up my props for my little kiddos and things. And so I got my favorite nail polish, or so I thought. And I got home and I kept looking at it and I thought, wow, it's so boring. It's so plain. And I just wasn't happy with it anymore. And so I literally went into my bathroom, got a set of my glitter overlays that I had ordered, and I added the glitter to them. And that's when I decided that, you know what? I'm addicted. And I might as well share this with other people. And that's the moment that I decided to become a Color Street stylist. So my kit also came with a couple of boxes of nail polish pads. Nail polish remover pads. A box of nail prep pads. And these are little, I think they're alcohol. Yeah, they're alcohol wipes. And so before you put on the nails, it helps to wipe them down with alcohol and then wash your hands with Dawn to remove any grease. And that helps the nails just sort of be clean and clear, and helps them go on easy. Here's my little road to success. And I haven't opened this yet. Ooh, I like it. There's lots of checklists and things to fill out. They've made it so easy. I have a couple of folks who are helping me, and there's a checklist. I love a good checklist, y'all. So I've been working through the checklist. There's a website and a phone app with training on it. So I haven't needed to open this, but I will be looking at it shortly. And then the last thing, I mentioned this congratulations and welcome card. They also sent a little gift, which is a lovely necklace. And I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but the color in there is the Tokyo Lights color. I can't get to those nails right now. I set them down. But the Tokyo nail polish is the same beautiful color. And so that is a lovely addition with some rose gold. It's rose gold with the Tokyo Lights color. And if I make a certain number of sales, I also get matching earrings. So yay, welcome to the family, me. So I think that's it. I don't think I've taken anything else out. At one point, I had fingernail stuff all over my office, all over the kitchen. It was so exciting. I love it. So I absolutely love these nails. I'm so excited to be a stylist. I'll be posting a few more videos and things, and I have a Facebook group that I will link in the comments, so I would love to have you join me. We have a lot of fun, and so come check it out. I would love to see you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.